Hi, I'm Jennifer Williams. I'm the Director of Languages and Cultures, and I'd like to introduce a working group project that our instructional resource developers and instructional resource analysts have been working on. What they're doing is they're developing a reader series for leveled language books that will entail real stories emulating a First Nations community and the characters from two interrelated families. They're creating 6 seasons of leveled books for the oral language fluency continuum. The leveled books for the 5 First Nations languages will be color-coded according to oral fluency levels. This is the fall season, the Swan and Muskrat series. Graphic design is complete for all of these fall theme books.
Anit Glenn Tazazio Sheason. Ya thought it in a sonlanesli. Dalut Hulge, Lac Brochet, Ayot it in a sonlanesli. Disney and I, the Cornell Tenicon High, yet this whole day your Galasna, but that's a Cornell can ha. Manitoba First Nations Education Resource Center Hulge, your Galasna. Could don't the neck as and did it listen no habek ayast he has. Ya Hulgen, na lack an angel day. Hulge at least no habek ayast has. Na lag an engte. Ik kan naar dit lezen net na lag an engte. Ja, je niet lezen uit de Lucy en Sanen je niet lezen. Zen. Ne bare, ne sebare. Gagos. Nella, sella. Zen. Ne bare beginilni. Gagos. Sebare beyebilnisi. Zen. Bet atudel dithi. Gagos. Bet atudel dithi. Zen. Tudiniltith. Gagos. Tudestith. Zen. Nella naltsal. Gagos. Chan. Sella naustsal. Zen. Datlak nelag anile. Gagos. Chan. Datlak salag asle hasi. Zen. Hotezon nelag anelte. Gagos. Nella narinsha. Tlisthata. Gagos. Nezon aslaw. Zen. Nezon analase. Ayerot's answer. Masisro, nidid no tantlis kayalti. Are sim benirul nin den honestanse. No haragi on ledon seneke.